It's not my problem.
I wonder why. One more, Sam.
You're ladder safety man now.
Haha, funny.
You'll never live that down.
All right. Dad, do you have a tin or a bag and put these in? Dad, get a bag.
You got plenty of bags.
Yeah, we do.
Need a gallon for all them.
Yes. Right.
Here, I got two.
Wow.
Oh, yeah? I'll be down. Big stuff. I'm out here. Dude, I can't touch. Give me a second.
What year is your Fairlane that this is going into?
63. 63 Ford Fairlane 500.
Man, them ugly.
Yeah, I don't like the pistons.
Yeah, it's definitely time for a rebuild.
Yeah. That's dirt. That's sludgy. But like
As long as it's not cracked, it can be fixed. Are there
There's not a
sleeves in them?
that is a sleep block, but there's not a
Huh?
there's not a
Yeah, you might have to put sleeves in them though.
I doubt
He's like, this one over here is pretty rough, dude.
no.
You might, and if you replace one, you might have to replace all 8.
You know, if he just took that out a few months ago, it didn't fucking around looking like that when he took it.
That board there still has crosshatch in it.
You might be able to hone it.
I'd say take it to a shop.
I'm thinking I'm gonna take it to Mark Fulton done. He did Warwick's heads on his car.
Oh, does he have a place at home to do shit? Really?
He did Warwick stuff.
Yeah, he did all the stuff on top of Warwick's Fox body.
Or
Same engine.
he's a pretty good guy.
The same engine as this.
Is it really?
Yeah. Alright guys, take off the harmonic balancer on 302. Do not use an impact on one of these. Just get a cheater pipe and a 1/2-inch ratchet and 11/16, isn't it? Or yeah, 11/16 on
To
this
use on that.
to use on this.
If that's the same
And
one you have.
it'll just walk it right on off there, like it's nothing. Impact, I guess, just kind of jars it off to the side, and it won't allow it to come off there. But this is what it should look like if you have a high output 1988 302, at least. All right, you want to do the removal of this timing chain? Slides right on off. No issues. It's all being replaced, so we're not worried about marking anything. We'll do a video later on of putting this all. All right, guys. So just want to inform you of this. See these arrows? They were pointing towards the front of the block. I didn't realize that not everyone knew that. And then on each of these connecting rods, they are marked to what piston and cylinder they needed to go to. So you don't technically need to mark them because see they're marked even on the side of the rod there. See, as in they have 6 there and 6 here, and they also have 6 here as well. So that's a cool note to have.
All these.
Yeah, other than your 4 mains.
Yep. Another bag pour forward down. You're standing right there. Your hands
Do it while I wasn't here. Get it?
You just walk over and get them.
got
So,
one hand.
I got one hand. I'm
True.
filming.
All right.
Gonna put all these in one.
Oh, your rear main seal looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Doesn't look like it's leaking. Is that an 8 8 or 10?
It's an 8+.
8+, so it's bigger.
And I have 256 gigs.
Yeah, that's nice.
So these videos won't be nothing for you, know. I'll probably store every single one of my YouTube videos on here and it won't be an issue. That thing just popped too.
Yeah, it's lifting up.
Yeah, that's, I don't know if I like that or not, dude. Did you
It's just because of these.
well, I guess it, you know, it probably is where all your weight's back, all your support is back here, and its weight of the block is actually probably what it is. A little bit of flex in the engine.
Hopefully.
Crazy to think that steel could flex like that, but well, cast can flex.
Yeah, screwdriver. Yeah, because there's pop on
Did it pop over here?
it. A little bit.
That's where I put your screwdriver at then. I just have a question, Riggs. What are we listening to right now? Because this is
It's
some.
supposed to be 99.1 country, but clearly it's not for some odd reason.
Well, I don't know. In today's day and age, that could be country. Let's see how this thing looks underneath.
Iffy at best. That's some yuckiness in there.
It's not near as bad as it used to be when people used Quaker State oil. You ever seen a motor take
That's all
this
that Levi still
par-
uses.
paraffin and just, oh, Jesus Christ. Talk about gummy and shit.
Pennzoil.
Is it really?
Valvoline, I mean, not Pennzoil.
Pennzoil's not the greatest either. If you're going to use any of them, use Castrol or higher end oil. 'Cause all I use is that Royal Purple and the diesel.
I run Castrol on every vehicle but the 240. It's on Rotella 1030.
That's what I run mostly is Rotella and the diesel.
I can't run Rotella in my diesel. They don't make any for it.
The Dexos.
Has to have Dexos 2 and it's 5W30.
Mine's 15.
Nope. Ain't gonna turn the motor over. I was kind of hoping. But that'd be kind of cool.
Well, you turned it over earlier.
I know, I can see it. That's it.
That ain't good to stop someone.
Dude, get your half inch instead of putting the pressure on that 3/8. I thought you turned it over and didn't have a problem before.
That kind of makes me worry about what that tinging sound was.
Is there valve guides? Or not valve guide, a timing chain guide?
You don't know.
Where's your half inch?
Oh yeah, this moves.
Oh yeah, because remember we took all the bolts off with this.
Right, but still rotate. Here, half inch this.
That's probably why it popped.
Yeah.
That's where we got that popping sound from.
Yeah, that's where your problem is. You can see it.
Ooh, what'd you do?
I don't know. I'm gonna stop.
Yep.
I need to figure out how to pull this off. So
You need to get a harmonic balance puller or a crank puller or whatever.
I have a set of 3 jaws down here.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what you need. This is why we need Levi here, because I'm actually kind of a helping hand with this stuff. Levi's not. We need him to film.
Levi's still working in there right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to go warm.
What?
Have
Oh, hey, we can go ahead and take this off, can't we?
Yeah, I have a wrench up there.
Oh, geez, yeah, it's on there good. It looks like it got a little smashed up.
Yeah.
Is that from the truck ride home?
Nah, it might have been where he picked the whole thing up with the forklift. Skid steer.
That's probably not the best way to bring an engine out of a vehicle, a skid steer or forklift.
Well, it was on the stand.
Oh. I guess when they pulled that engine out of that truck down there that I had for the 300 Z, no, 300, yeah, the 300 ZX, when they pulled the engine out of that truck for it, it was, they pulled it out with a forklift.
Well, yeah, you can pull it out with a forklift.
Seat belt straps, well, literal seat belts for straps.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that would be nice.
One more size there.
Yeah, that's all it's doing is crushing.
Oh, there it
there you
goes.
go.
That's junk anyways.
Yeah, fuck, I wasn't going to use that cover.
All them guys over there on, what is that, roadkill? They would have used it.
Oh, yeah,